I'm going to show you how to make your laptop like new again so that it's exactly how it was when you bought it from the shop, or if you've been given a laptop, allow you to erase everything on it and start fresh. So the first thing we need to do is head on down to the search bar at the bottom, search for recovery options, and then click the recovery options button. Under recovery options, you can see something called reset this PC, and then just click the reset PC button. You'll be presented with two different options. The first one is keep my files. The second is remove everything. So keep my files will keep all personal files like images or document, but it will still remove all apps and settings. And remove everything will, as it says, remove every single thing from your laptop, including all applications, personal files, and settings. So for demonstrational purposes, I'm going to click keep my files. You will be given two options here. You can either cloud download or you can local reinstall. If you have good internet, I would actually advise to use cloud download because that will download and install the latest and most up-to-date version of Windows. However, if your internet isn't good or you're trying to do this as quick as possible, then I would recommend local reinstall, which will use the shipped version of Windows that came with your laptop to reinstall itself. So let's just click local reinstall. On the next page, you have some additional settings. So we click change settings here, and you can choose to restore pre-installed apps that came with the laptop, and you can choose to reinstall Windows from this device or reinstall Windows using this device, which again, we selected previously. Then click next. And on the last page, it will summarize everything that will be reset whilst doing this. You can also click view apps that will be removed, just so you have a full list of everything that you will have to reinstall. And once you're happy, all you need to do is click the reset button. It's important to note that depending on how powerful your laptop is, this may take quite a while. And also it's worth noting that you need to make sure that your laptop is plugged in and not just running off of the battery. You may find that it causes a few errors if it is just running off the battery. And lastly, if there are another error related to storage, just ensure that you have enough space on your hard drive to complete the process. So I would advise just deleting a few programs or files just so there's a bit of room for it to reset efficiently.